Bonjour! Welcome to Easy French Cooking. How about we cook some gorgeous salmon fillets in 10 minutes? I'm Victor and today we are going to cook salmon filet meunière. Why is it called meunière? Because we are going to use some flour and the miller who makes the flour is called le meunier in French. It's super simple and looks sophisticated too. Let's go! Alright, ingredients now. All you need for this great recipe for 4 people is 4 salmon fillets. So we're going to cut this into 4 fillets like this. 40 grams of butter, a dozen cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes, well, small tomatoes anyway, 1 lemon, a tablespoon of plain flour, a couple of tablespoons of capers. This is optional, but it tastes really nice with the capers. Some fresh parsley, salt and pepper. And that is all you need to prepare this classic. It's simple, it's easy, it's delicious. And it only takes 10 minutes to get those great fillets onto your plate. Okay, now the gear. We need almost nothing for this great meal. All we need is a frying pan, kitchen tongs, a chopping board for the salmon, a chopping board for the vegetable, a tablespoon, a sharp knife, and some kitchen roll. And if you need some good quality kitchen gear, click on the links in the description below and you will find all you need. First, rinse the tomatoes under cold water. And then also rinse your salmon. Right, dry them with some kitchen roll, like this. Then cut 4 nice fillets. Like this. I'm just going to keep this one on the recipe. Okay. Season, salt and pepper. And then add a spoon of flour and lightly cover. Right, ready to cook. Melt the butter in the frying pan. Once the butter is melted, add the salmon. And by the way, you can also use olive oil if you prefer rather than butter. And now cook your salmon for about 4 minutes. Salmon should be cooking on medium heat. In the meantime, cut the tomatoes in halves. Cut the lemon in 4 so that you give 1/4 to each guest. And of course, chop the parsley. Chop, chop, chop. Add the tomatoes and add the capers. Tell you what, as a little extra, you can even add a little bit of white wine in there. Won't do it today, but you know, it's a nice little touch. So after 4 minutes, just turn it around a little bit. Let it cook on all sides. and leave it for another 4 minutes. Looking good. It's ready to go. Squeeze the lemon over the fillet. Add the parsley. And voila! All done in virtually no time. A beautiful fillet of salmon meunière. This is really one of my favorites. It's looking good. Oh, you're gonna like this one. It's great. Enjoy. I hope you like this video and that you will enjoy your salmon fillet meunière. You can use the same recipe for other fish fillets, sole, John Dory, whiting, you name it. Please click on the like button and leave a comment. If you would like, we have more cool recipes for all occasions. So to keep on developing your skills in homemade French cooking, just hit the subscribe button and check out my other videos. Also, have a look at the description below and click on the links for good quality fish and groceries delivery services. À bientôt!